my timer. Okay, rockin'. Why is that not working? Okay. Oh no, OBS crashed on me. Oh, God damn it. Okay, we're back, maybe. Let's see. Okay, that looks like it's working. I don't know why UBS crashed. Oh, sorry, OBS crashed. Not UBS. Not talking about banks. Let's go to view my channel. There we go. Okay. At least it's working now. Okay, cool. Yeah. Let's try this button. Okay, cool. That does work. Fantastic. Okay, so for context, been working on avoiding filter double pushdown, double eval from filter pushdown, which is not ideal. And so there was some feedback on it, good feedback to be clear. Most feedback is good. That essentially, while we do avoid this double pushdown by this code change that I've proposed, there is a downside, and that downside is that if this predicate is really, really good, you know, avoiding the double eval might not be worth it because we might be effectively filtering out more rows more aggressively, even with the double eval, provided that the double eval is cheap enough. So essentially think things like null checks. Null checks are super cheap. So yeah, hard to say what the right approach is here. But so essentially what I did as a first pass is I added, a cost mechanism where we kind of just like half-ass guess at the cost and use that to decide if we should try and avoid the push down. 2 days ago, I was like, you know what? There's a different way we could go about addressing this, and that's what we've got here. And so that was the idea. And that idea is essentially, what about if we also broke up the projection as well? So this is, a little bit more left field, but hey, that's life. Okay. Spark. What branch am I on? Am I on the right branch? This is not the right branch. I would like to go to avoid double eval. Build SBT. Don't think I need any particular profile enabled for this one. And so to sort of get that started, and this is a mini stream to be clear, so I'm going to try and get as much done as I can inside of like 30 minutes. Maybe a bit more. Alexa, how long is on my timer?
You have 25 minutes left on your 31-minute timer.
Okay. Alexa, add 2 minutes.
2 minutes. You now have about 27 minutes and 40
Fantastic.
seconds left.
So, is it going to be the filter pushdown suite? Let's go look at what files I changed. What was the suite? Yeah, filter pushdown suite. Okay. And the new test that we introduced inside of filter pushdown suite is this one. So, there we go. Oh, that would be why. Gotcha. Should definitely fix that quickly. I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Java 17 going forward. And it's something sweet. What's the name of the suite that we're testing? I don't remember. Why is my memory so bad? My memory's so bad for a lot of different reasons. One second. All right, okay, should find it in my, is it this one? There we go. And it is filter pushdown suite. Okay, that's what I'm looking for. So, some things we're going to do here. 47672. 47672. Okay. So, here, where is what is this? Oh, fuck, I don't remember my tasks very well, do I? Okay. So previously, what we would do, so this is the old one. And in the new version, like what we want it to do, we haven't written the code yet for this, to be clear. New target correct answer. Let's see if we can. So we'll write the test for our desired behavior, and then we can go from there. And change the code. Cool. Okay, syntax error. with column. Okay. Star. There we go. There we go. Okay. With column. Well, is that right? Yes, okay, let's go make this a little bit more cool. Or like, not magic. J. There we go. Okay. So I think this is now sort of what we want it to look like. Yeah, okay. Except 172? That's weird. Oh, I can't spell. That seems like that makes sense. Okay. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back over to here. We're going to go to our friend optimizer.scala. There we go. Okay. So get alias map projection. So here's the thing. This is going to get a lot more complicated. But that is okay. So if stay up is empty, if we are pushing everything, need to do any magic. All right, so if we're taking all of the filters and pushing them through, then we're great. Okay, so initially, yeah. Yeah. This is the complicated case where some of the filters don't make it past projection. Undo. So, yeah, okay. If we push all of the filters, okay. So if we've pushed all of the filters, do I need to do anything differently? So let's think about that. If we take all of the filters and push them down, yeah, okay, we still might need to. Okay. So let's go find get alias map. Get. Okay. Get alias map. Let's go find it. SQL star. Okay, alias helper. Map takes a projection. So here we go. Val. Projection li. is equal to sequence. Um, hmm. Um, elements that we are using in a filter. Filter aliases. Filter aliases. Place alias. Probably going to be an alias helpers, isn't it? Place alias. Interesting. Okay. Replace alias includes the aliases replaced. Sequence of alias. Replace alias while tracking. Alias map. Getter else a. B. Hmm. Yeah, okay, let's go. Attribute map. This code is getting kind of gnarly. I don't love it. If we replace an alias, add it to replaced. Does that sound right? If we go back to an attribute map, All right, and then we become an attribute map of alias. So those are all of the aliases that we care about, right? So val replaced used aliases. Filter aliases plus plus equals used aliases. Okay. Logically, this kind of looks semi-reasonable. If checked. Okay. And then what we do is base level project. Yeah. Dot is empty if not pushDown dot is empty. Okay. So for case where we have 0 non-pushed. We have 0 pushed. Yes. Okay. Regardless, val top level projection is equal to project.copy so then our top level projection is going to be the existing projection minus the filter aliases, but added back as $A. Overall, base level projection is going to be all refs from our current projection plus the filtered projection plus the alias map that we used in the filtering. prefactor projection. Okay. Okay, cool. Let's go take a look at package.scala. Side of expressions, class projection. Oof. That does not have a lot for me to work with. Fudge. Oh dear. Oh no, that's class project. That's basic logical operators. Thank you. Okay. Here we go. Okay, rocking. So this gives us a sequence of named expressions, sequence of attributes with new children. Okay. So we would want, okay, we wrote a comment of what we want. So first things first, project list is going to change. Yeah. So it's going to be a sequence of named expressions. So Alexa snooze.
Okay. So you're getting the timer for 5 minutes.
So this is going to be kind of work in progress. But named expression. Yeah. Okay. So class dot references, right? Dot references. To sequence, okay. Is going to be project.references to sequence plus plus. Okay. Project list. Attribute map. There's something helper that we got opened up. Plan.project list is just get alias map. Sequence. A dot comma A. Okay. So then really we would go filter aliases dot map, or attribute map, dot iterator dot map underscore dot underscore 2. I think that looks like what I want it to be. And here, project list is equal to left behind lms is equal to alias map dot remove used aliases dot for map dot iterator dot for each left behind aliases minus equals dot Alexa stop. Okay. Yeah. Projection components we don't need to push. Okay. Yeah, cool. So that's as far as we're going to get today. But it's some progress. And I'm going to actually go ahead. Check out dash B. Split projection. And we're going to just do that here. We're just going to keep that in a separate branch for now. So, you know, the original discussion can continue on. And I will try and come back to this later on. So thanks everyone for joining. Really appreciate it. We didn't, you know, obviously get all the way, but we got started, and it's pretty good. It's 12:20. I'm gonna go have some lunch. I hope y'all have a lovely weekend up ahead. Thanks, and see you all around. Let's see. Oh yay, the buttons are working again. That's fantastic. Figure out why they stopped working. Bye, y'all.